So a federal judge just ruled, expressly and directly, that Donald Trump signed, under the penalties of perjury, a court document that he knew contained false allegations of election fraud. And yes, that's a crime. Let's talk about that, because justice matters. Hey all, Glenn Kirshner here. So the evidence of Donald Trump's crimes continues to mount, continues to build, hopefully to a big old indictment crescendo before much longer. Well, today, a federal judge ruled that Donald Trump filed a certification form in court under the penalties of perjury, knowing that it contained false information about voter fraud. Here is the new reporting from the Washington Post. Headline: Judge, Trump knew fraud claims in legal documents were false. And that article begins, former President Donald Trump signed legal documents challenging the results of the 2020 election that included voter fraud claims he knew to be false, a federal judge said in a ruling Wednesday. U.S. District Court Judge David Carter, in an 18-page opinion, ordered the release of those emails between Trump and Attorney John Eastman to the House committee investigating the January 6th attack on the Capitol. He said those communications cannot be withheld because they include evidence of potential crimes. Quote, the emails show that President Trump knew that the specific numbers of voter fraud were wrong, but continued to tout those numbers both in court and to the public, Carter wrote. And precisely what did Judge Carter find? 4 emails demonstrate an effort by President Trump and his attorneys to press false claims in federal court for the purpose of delaying the January 6th vote. The evidence confirms that this effort was undertaken in at least one lawsuit filed in Georgia. The court finds that these emails are sufficiently related to and in furtherance of a conspiracy to defraud the United States. You know, friends, we all know that we have 3 co-equal branches of government. 2 of them have determined that Donald Trump committed federal felonies, right? First, there's Congress, the bipartisan January 6th House Select Committee investigating the insurrection. They have been very open about their findings, their conclusions that Donald Trump committed crimes in connection with the insurrection. And thankfully, they have shown us evidence of those crimes in public hearings. The judiciary, courtesy of this ruling by Judge David Carter, has come to the same conclusion. Donald Trump committed federal felonies, a conspiracy to defraud or commit offenses against the United States, and in an earlier ruling, Judge Carter found, by a preponderance of the evidence, that Donald Trump committed the crime of obstructing an official proceeding, the certification of Joe Biden's election win. And federal Judge Carter is not alone. Other judges, several other judges, have been very open talking about their view of what Donald Trump did to inspire the insurrection. And so, we're just waiting for the 3rd branch of government, the executive branch, the Department of Justice, to make it a clean sweep. I, for one, will be looking for indictments to start dropping shortly after the midterms, because justice matters. Friends, as always, please stay safe, please stay tuned, and I look forward to talking with you all again tomorrow.